Good morning, everybody. Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to talk about some more of the many benefits of owning rental properties. The world of real estate is so much more amazing than this is how much the return was on our property and this is how much money we made. No. The world of real estate really caters to the true entrepreneur. You get to have cash flow. You get to grow your net worth. You get tax write-offs. You get so many benefits, which can make it a little bit overwhelming. So we're going to continue our journey through rental properties, and today we're going to talk about the true value of a rental property. A lot of people keep track of the cash flow, which you have to, absolutely, right? And then you keep track of your expenses. Now, in most investments, you have your income minus your expenses equals your return. Rental properties are so much more awesome than that. So you have your income. You have the amount of appreciation that happened throughout the year. So you might have purchased the property at $200,000. Now at the end of this year, it's worth $225,000. That factors in. You have the return on your cash flow, which is all the income it brought in, right? You also have, let's say you have a loan on the property. This is the power of leveraging. The tenant paid down your mortgage for you. That is a huge part of your return. If you own this property for 30 years, keep tenants in it for most of the time, those tenants are going to pay for your investment minus your down payment and closing costs, etc., right? So if you add up throughout the year how much money it brought in, what your appreciation was, and how much was paid off of the mortgage, that gets you way closer to the true return on your rental property. Factor that in, have a little bit of fun, try to find some rental properties. I'll talk to you guys later.